Hello, everybody. This is me and my pet Jerry. I say hello, Jerry.
Hello, my name's Jerry.
Alright. Anyways, this is a video. I'm going to be explaining how you get the star constellation and also explaining how stupid the puzzle is. You jump down here. You can just look and find the cave. It's pretty easy. Oh, there's a big thunder noise. Anyways, so yeah, you go through here. You see the thing. You know, the stars. Stars are beautiful. Oh, where am I? It's I got over here. The stars are beautiful. I guess that's a hint. /E. So, yeah, so we look through the stars. They're Roman numerals, so that's pretty simple to figure out that there's an order. This one's number 1. And, well, normally I'd be like, I don't know what it is. Can't figure it out. That one kind of looks like a Q, so I figure out that that is maybe letters. Nope, not letters. Well, it is letters, but the stars don't form letters. They're actually all real constellations that basically no one would ever guess or know the name of unless they're actual astrologists or astronomers. Sorry. Anyways, this one is the Delphinus constellation. You can tell from these stars connected here and going to the big one. So I think the little ones are just distraction stars. So here we have the constellations. I found them. I'm not an astronomer, so I just searched them up. Well, that's how I found them in reverse because I'm not an astrologer and I can't find things. Because who could do that? So anyways, this is the Delphinus constellation. You can see it's made up of 5 stars. 5 stars here. Although there aren't 5 stars, which is what confused me most. But you can see this is it. Kind of pretty much the same. Now we go to the second one, which is over here. This is Indus. This is the Indus constellation, not a well-known constellation that I know of, at least. This is it. As you can see, it's a little bit tilted. Actually, it's completely upside down, because why not? Why make it easier for people to figure out your extremely difficult puzzle that only astrologers would get? So anyways, yeah, you can see it's the big ones are the actual stars that are part of the constellation. It makes like a Nike logo. You can see it here. Yep, that's it. Actually, wait. No, actually, this one's actually missing one, unless you count that little one. So I guess all my research just went out the window. So, bam. It's actually 5 stars again. So that's nice. I'll explain. I guess I missed the main point. This is the Delphinus constellation. Starts with a D. So, number 1 is D. Write that down. It'll be a quiz after this. Anyways, so now we're going to move on to number 3. This is the Vela constellation. We can go on to here. This is the Vela. Starts with a V, because, here we go. This is the constellation. You can kind of see it in the mess of stars that they put on for some reason. It looks like an O to also confuse people, but whatever. I'm sure there's not many constellations that start with V. Let's check. Actually, there's a lot. Oh, Virgo. Why didn't they use Virgo? I actually know that one. What a bunch of poos. Anyways, so moving. Okay, so we got 3, right? That's Virgo. Starts with a V. So far we have... Oh, did I do that one? That one's Indus. Starts with an I. So we have D, I, V. So D-I-V. Now we move on to the next one, which is 4. This is Indus again. So that starts with an I. So D-I-V-I. Now we move on to 5. Roman numeral 5. That is Norma. Norma. Let's see. Let's take a look at Norma. There's Norma. There we go, Norma. You can kind of see it, I guess. Again, it's those ones. That's a triangle. That one is a small one, so I guess that kind of undoes the rule of only using the big ones. So that's another little thing to confuse people. And then we move on to the next one, which is 6. So here we have Aquilus, everyone's favorite star system that starts with an E. And you see it's just an L, an upside down L. Super duper easy. Oh, but look here, they added a bunch of junk to make it look like a Q to confuse people. Yay! Yay! Except for maybe some extreme Constellation nerds. Oh, not me though. Not that. I had to search it up. I had to find the actual answer for the stupid Constellation Stickman. Look at him, little evil boy, stuck in a hole. And to do it, you do /E, then just write divine right there, and it will open. And then you can jump in and get it. Whoop-de-doo. Special thanks to Jerry for being here and helping me figure this out. Hi, Jerry. And also thanks to Alpha Jake 2009 for making the worst puzzle. Although, I don't know if it's the worst. It's just really difficult and unnecessary. I mean, I enjoy a good puzzle, but making me guess the names of... I can't... There's no way I can figure out what constellations these are unless I actually know them. So, Alpha Jake 2009, shout out to him for being a poo. Ha ha ha. Also, I mean, the hint is ice cave. We know what's in the ice cave. Just let us. We can figure out what's in the ice cave by going into the ice cave. That's not a hint. Stars are cool. That's again. I mean, it's yeah, but a hint. Like you could say, figure out the name of the constellations. Figure them out. Don't be like stars. Well, and also, actually, the biggest hint is actually down here. Down on one of these pillars, I believe, one of these white pillars, there's actually a button that you can click called the Divine button. So I think that is also another hint, but it is not very clear. And so yeah, maybe you could figure out using the Divine button. And I guess I was reading some comments on some YouTube videos that aren't as good as this one, because they don't explain anything. They're just like, the secret is just do /E Divine. Well, the stars are beautiful. I read some comments. Beautiful could also mean divine. It's another word, I guess. So I guess that's something. But if you just go through every single word, that no one's ever going to do that. That every word that means divine, as also when there's just this giant red herring of stars with Roman numerals on them, which isn't the red herring. But I don't know. It's just whatever. Let's get him. Hello, friend. Yeah, I already have you. Anyways, goodbye. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, maybe.